Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've taken the Urus out again. We're going to get a couple of cinematic shots and everything. I'm going to do a little behind the scenes. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. The sun is literally just setting. So yeah, you feel free.
We needed like the CLA shoot, do you remember? When it was down that path.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one like the perfect time because it was just before. Well, that must have been over a year ago now then.
Yeah, it was a while.
To be fair, that location is really, really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's sick that they've kept it.
Not a CLA.
Not a CLA.
So we always had hatches for the cover.